case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The narrative began in 1999 when Kevin Gagnon, under his business moniker Mr. Computer, entered into a lucrative working relationship with Asset Marketing System, AMS. As an independent contractor, Gagnon was hired to develop custom software. Over the course of this relationship, Gagnon alleged that AMS went beyond the boundaries of their agreement by not only using, but also modifying his computer programs, infringing on his copyright. In addition to copyright infringement, Gagnon also alleged misappropriation of trade secrets by AMS through the hiring of his former employees. This, he said, gave AMS unauthorized access to his proprietary code. The case ultimately went to court, with Gagnon arguing against a ruling in favor of AMS by the lower court. Gagnon insisted he had never signed the vendor non-disclosure agreement, which AMS claimed gave them ownership of all intellectual property developed by Gagnon. Unfortunately for Gagnon, the Court of Appeals failed to be swayed by his argument. Instead, they affirmed the district court's decision, stating that AMS had an implied, non-exclusive license to use, modify, and retain the source code of the programs Gagnon had developed for them. The fact that AMS had remunerated Gagnon for his services further solidified their right to the software. Furthermore, the Court of Appeals negated Gagnon's claim of trade secret misappropriation. The basis for their decision fell on the premise that AMS's implied license inherently included access to any trade secrets. In what would be the final blow to Gagnon, the court also deemed any non-competition agreements previously signed between Gagnon and his erstwhile employees as null and void, stating such agreements were no longer necessary for guarding his trade secrets. As a result, AMS was free to pursue dealings with Gagnon's previous employees. Thus, the Court of Appeals reaffirmed the lower court's original decision, bringing closure to an intriguing examination of implied licenses, copyright laws, and the delicate intricacies between independent contractors and client companies.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.